Hello, how are you doing? This is Tim Long. I'm currently working as a regional sales manager for the controls and connectivity division of ProDrive. What ProDrive does is we provide design and contract manufacturing services for OEM manufacturers in the industrial, medical, consumer electronics, and IoT space. I'm currently applying for the local sales manager role here in the United States for Serviap Global. A little bit about myself. Um, I grew up in Puerto Rico, and then I came here to Boston for college. I went to Bentley College. I've been here since 2000. I have over 20 years of technical sales experience, working from uh, working with multinationals to Chinese companies to European companies, as well as small and medium-sized businesses. My career first started working at Portman, where we manufacture asset and GPS tracking devices, working with um, vehicle manufacturers and other kind of on the construction and of highway vehicles here in the United States, selling to the United States and Mexico. After that, I also work for Thales and HID Global in the identity and kind of RFID and auto ID space, working with wireless technologies such as RFID, contactless products, um, along with connected devices. During my time at TechScan, um, I was working as an OEM sales engineer, working with OEM manufacturers in the medical, industrial, and consumer electronic space, uh, embedding our force sensors into their solution. That were trying to work a lot of in the wearable space on the medical device, along with um, IoT connected devices on whether it's manufacturing or telematics and other type of devices. And my role there was to work directly with engineers and the R&D department to specify new products. Make sure we fit the requirements or work within the budget. And then I am, walking the whole project from start to finish, working internally as well with our manufacturing team, our logistics team, and engineering team, along with externally working with the VARs and the distributors, along with the engineers of the end users, customers, along with their logistics team and also their contract manufacturing team. So I've been doing that for the last 20 years. Leadership in a conflict. During my time at TechScan, we had a particular project where they requested a specific sensor that we did not have available. I had to do a lot of research on the material and the know-how and the suppliers to convince management to take a chance on this new project, because it was going to bring significant revenue in an area where we have not been successful in the past. In order to spearhead that, I really had to do a lot of research. Also contacted the suppliers myself. Took the initiative of working directly with manufacturing team, procurement, internally and externally with the customer, to make sure we fit all the requirements, and to make sure they were willing to invest with us on this particular project. So at the end of the day, we finally got the green light to work on this new project. Unfortunately, the project did not work out. So, what I learned from that lesson is that it was obviously a little disappointed that the project did not work out. However, it is important for us and for a company to succeed to take chances, to also have a calculated risk in determining new projects and new revenue schemes where you can really help the company grow and break into new businesses. I think that's really the lesson that I learned, even though that particular project was not successful. And why should you choose me? Like I mentioned, I have over 20 years of experience in the technical sales. I worked with small companies to multinationals, all the way to also to startups, along with medium-sized businesses. I have A lot of experience working with telematics, wireless connectivity, also working with engineers in an R&D team, along with finance and management in regards to doing RFPs, RFQs, making sure we respond and we meet all the requirements. I also have a lot of experience either growing accounts and also prospecting new accounts into new industries. And that's something I think will be valuable for Serviap Global, especially you guys are breaking into a new business here in the United States. I have a lot of experience working in North America, also in Latin America as well. And then my experience, I've experienced selling in Asia, Europe, the U.S., and Latin America. So it's something where, we can definitely grow the business overall, locally and internationally. So I think my skill sets and my background will really complement the role here as a local sales manager. Thank you.